Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick wig review on 2 different wigs. So if you guys want all the details, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay loves, so this video is courtesy of Janet Collection. They were kind enough to send your girl a couple of wigs as well as more 613 bundles. So be looking out for a video that's going to show another customized color. I've already done orange and blue with their 613 bundles. So I'm not sure just yet what color I'm going to be doing, but make sure you guys stay tuned. So they were kind enough to send me 3 different units, and so I decided to show you guys 2 in this video, and then I'll show you guys the last one in a different video. But the first unit that they sent me was their natural superflow deep part lace wig, and it's in the style Oscar, and it is in the color 1B. My personal thoughts about this unit is I was not feeling this unit at all. From the moment I took it out the package, I could definitely see that it had a shine to it, so it definitely looked wiggy already. And then the curls, which I'll show you on the back. The curls are just as tight as you see right here, and I thought that brushing them out would kind of relax them a little bit, but that didn't happen. So yeah, I just absolutely did not feel this unit at all. I was trying to feel it, you guys, I really was. And then the fact that it's 1B, it was dark, like it was a 1, and I just knew that it just was not vibing with my complexion. And then I had on a bold lip, so I was trying to give you guys a more bold makeup look because I have been kind of playing it safe with the lippies at least, and I wanted to get back into, you know, my colors. So with this unit and this look, I just felt like everything was very dark and it just was not vibing with me. But I do show you guys what the unit looks like when I brushed it out. It does have an invisible deep part lace, as well as it's heat resistant up to 360 degrees, which I think is great. I feel like it would be a great unit to straighten. Once I brushed it out, I did notice that the shine, it didn't appear as shiny. I would definitely like straighten the unit, but I feel like the unit brushed out, the unit not brushed out, it just kind of made me feel older and not younger. And that's why later you guys will see that I put the unit in a ponytail. So I do a side pony as well as a ponytail that's up, and then I felt like it was younger and I could vibe with it. So this unit that's on my head is their Princess Lace Wig. It's 100% human hair premium blend. It's in the style Princess Charlotte, and it's in the color purple. So it has ear to ear free parting, and it has a hand tied 13x4 lace frontal closure. So this is a lace frontal closure wig. Upon putting this unit on, I love the color straight out the packaging. It has dark roots, so it's black right here, and then it goes into the purples. I love the fact that it is a lace closure wig. What that does mean is that I could not use my wig grip with this unit, or else you would be able to see it. So I took my wig grip off, and to be more secure, I definitely would use some adhesive. I did go ahead and use the adjustable straps, and the adjustable straps helped. However, the flaps on the side are still like sticking up, so therefore I would definitely use like some type of adhesive if I was gonna wear it like long term. So yeah, this is the stock card if I didn't show you already. So I will show you guys both of the units up close and personal, as well as the unboxing. My personal thoughts about this unit was I was slightly concerned because I thought that this video was just going to kind of be an epic fail, like I wasn't going to like either unit. However, I was pleasantly surprised with this unit. Thankfully, I kind of figured I was going to love this one better, and that was definitely the case. I did notice it had a slight shine to it. I don't know if like just all Janet Collection units have like a slight shine to it. However, when I brushed it out, I don't feel like the shine is as noticeable as when I first put it on my head, so that's a great thing. I also love how it lays. It came with very loose curls, and so I just kind of brushed them out, and this is what it looks like now. So yeah, I feel like this unit was very effortless. It did come with baby hair, so I did slick the baby hairs down on this side, not on this side because I don't tend to put my hair behind my ear on this side, so I just do baby hairs on this side. Besides the color, I do think that it has a natural feel to it. I would say this unit is probably about maybe about 20 inches, 20 to 22 inches. And so yeah, I absolutely love this unit. Would definitely rock this out in the daytime. I actually am about to rock it. So yeah, you guys let me know how you guys feel about it. Let me know which one is your favorite. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.